In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to eliminate unused classes, styles, and components in Webflow. If your project has grown over time, it's easy to end up with extra elements that clutter your workspace and potentially slow down your web pages. Today, let's tidy things up to keep our projects running smoothly and efficiently. First things first, open your browser and head over to the Webflow website. Once you're there, you'll need to log in. So click on the Login button, which you'll find at the top right corner of the page. You'll be prompted to enter your login details, so just type those in and hit Enter. Once you're in, you'll be directed to your Webflow dashboard. This is where all your projects are housed. From here, take a moment to scan your list of projects, and then click on the one you want to clean up today. With your project open, the next step is to focus on its structure. Click on any one of the elements in your design to bring up its settings. You'll start by accessing the Settings panel, where all the element-specific details are located. To do that, first, select the element. You should see the Settings icon pop up. Click on that. Now, once you're in the Settings panel, you'll see a tab for Interactions, which is critical for animating components on your page. By clicking into the Interactions panel, Webflow provides a handy option. Clean up unused interactions. This feature will scan your project to identify any interactions that aren't being used and allow you to remove them with just a click. This is a great way to declutter your project and ensure optimal performance without needing to check every interaction manually. Next, after cleaning up interactions, shift your focus to the sidebar, where you'll find another useful area, the Components panel. This is where all your custom components are listed, such as buttons or cards. Here, take a few minutes to review your components and see if there are any that you've created but are no longer utilizing on your pages. Components that linger without use can be removed to streamline your workspace and project load times. Using these steps, you can keep your Webflow project lean and well organized. It not only makes it easier to find and manage the parts you're working on, but also optimizes the speed and performance of your website, which is crucial as your project scales. Cleaning up can seem like a small task, but it makes a big difference when building high-quality sites. Now, you're all set to put these steps into practice. Happy designing!